How to find your OKX wallet address. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find your OKX wallet address. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the OKX Wallet app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you need to select Assets at bottom right corner of the screen and choose Deposit. Here you need to verify your identity first of all, then only you will be able to proceed. Once you have verified your identity, simply you need to proceed towards go to buy crypto section. You don't need to worry because you don't need to actually buy anything. Then you need to simply select any cryptocurrency and choose your preferred network such as Ethereum or OKC. Once selected, you need to enter the withdrawal amount and fees, and at the top of the screen, you will see the address field. That's your OKX wallet address. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.